Hola vatos, it's your girl DIYBlonde, and I'm here bringing you another hair tutorial on how I custom colored, bleached, and made this handmade wig. I did use 3 bundles and a frontal, and it was all custom by me and hand sewed. This is a highlight wig, Beyonce, Eric Tay inspired wig. So if you would like to see how I got these results, keep watching. And do me a favor while you're at it, since you're watching this video already, go ahead and like and subscribe to it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let's get to it. Alright, these are my Glow Girl extensions before I went ahead and prior to me bleaching them. And now you just see me bleaching my knots in my frontal, and this is where I'll be sectioning off the highlighted areas I want on my frontal and bleaching them as well. So I'm just going to continue to work that bleach on the knots of my frontal, being sure not to press too hard. I'm doing it very lightly. You do want to make sure you have a thick consistency with your bleach so it doesn't seep through. With this look, it really wouldn't matter either way it goes because it's going to be blonde mostly. So yeah, I'm just flipping it, and now we're going to get ready to bleach those ends and highlight those parts that I want highlighted in this frontal. So you could just go ahead and watch that. I'm not gonna keep blabbing on and on. Alright, now I'm just going over the ends of the frontal with some bleach. And you want to make sure you blend it really well so you don't get a harsh look. You want it to be a nice ombre look. And I'm just showing you here what I mean by that. Once you're applying bleach, just make sure you're combing through. And now we're just applying bleach to the bundles. I really have a technique doing this. I just applied it. I kept the rubber bands on because I wanted the roots to still be black, and I thought that would help. So I kept the rubber bands on the hair. I didn't take them off, and I just bleached the ends and comb through them, and then continue to administer the bleach. You want to make sure that the hair is really saturated. Once you're done with the bundle, you're going to wrap it up in tinfoil so it could get some heat and lighten quicker. And yeah, you're going to start on your next bundle once you finish the second one. I don't have much footage. My phone kept dying, guys. Sorry, but yeah, just continue to watch the video and you'll see the results at the end. All right, after about an hour of letting the bleach process, I did go ahead and wash the hair out and do a deep conditioner treatment for about 30 minutes, washed it out, and then I started making the wig. So I did it off camera. My phone kept dying, like I said, so I do apologize. But basically, you just get your wig head, get your cap, place your frontal about an inch before, like in front of your cap, and then tack it down, and then sew it down the best you can and as flat as possible. And then you just want to start adding your bundles to the back. I'll probably end up making a more detailed video about how I make my wigs when I sew them. But yeah, basically I would just basically sew the wefts down. When I finish the wig, I'll blow dry and style it. And I'll be right back to tell y'all how I did that. Alright, right, so this is the final look. I was so in love. I did end up selling this wig for $400, install not included. It would have probably been a little bit more if she wanted to get an install done by me, but yeah, I absolutely loved it. She absolutely loved it. She ended up breaking her phone on her birthday trip when she wore this wig, so she didn't get any pictures, so I'm bummed. But yeah, the wig came out so perfect and bomb and pretty. It just gives me Beyonce vibes, you know. You feel me? You know, girl. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what y'all think. And I will see y'all in my next video. Adios, amigos. Buenas noches. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. So y'all have a good night. Peace.